Hello, welcome back to Glitchy Tooths. Today we're just doing a bit of editing and then we'll go just straight into gaming. I've been wanting to play Fortnite for a while, if not for a bit. So I just want to finish this very short clip. I do that, and then after this is when just switch and play a bit of maybe I think the Star Wars bit thing is still there on Fortnite, so I'll do a bit of that. But first, let us just finish what is going on here. It's like a little video trade I did for some artwork that was commissioned. So they did the commission thingy, and then I do a video in return. Very short, playful video. Let's try and see. Of course, there's an issue now. It's not detecting. I'll need to restart that. So what do I do? What do I do? There's some stuff that needs to be fixed. For some reason, it just decided it's not going to be working. I'll need to restart the software. So because of that, let me just switch this. I mean, what do I call it? Just chatting. Okay. And then let me add a scene. Yes. Let me just add that. Yeah, that one will work for now. Just for now. So that I can at least fix that and then come back and try and yes, that works now. I was wondering how comes the audio is silent. I didn't realize I had muted the thing. But yes, we are back. This is what we're trying to work on. Okay, this is like what was requested. If I can use this music to make something similar. This. You see, there's so much going on here, and the types of clip is so different as compared to what we have. So that is where the challenge is. I was muted, but I think I fixed it. I unmuted it. Thank you so much for the follow login. I've unmuted it. I didn't realize I was muted all the time. I was just talking and talking. Oops. I think I touched the mic thingy, the mute thing. It's usually like a swipe. So you just swipe it and then it goes silent. So very easily to be messed up. Anyway, how are you? Thank you so much for letting me know. And how are you? How's your day? So I don't think this slide thing really works out for what we are trying to do, because I had done like just hi, thank you. I'll need to, let me just remove all this and do like a restart of whatever it is that you're trying to do. By the way, I do lead like art video trades if you don't want to actually like do like currency exchange. That's what you can call it. So I can do a video for you, and in return you do some artwork for me. That's what I mean, more or less. Yeah, I think I'll also remove this, and maybe I can group the video. No, I had chopped it into bits so that it matches the music. Maybe I can just pre-comp all of that and then do like one whole big thing, one whole big yeah, one whole big composition, and then I try and do it. So Control Shift C. Maybe I should just put markers for now so that I don't forget where each and every beat thing is at. Marker there, one here, one here, one there, and finally one there. So I just take all that, Control Shift C to pre-comp it. Hello, welcome, thank you for joining. Yeah, what is that? Is that a crab or a spider? It looks like a crab. I think it's a crab. I can't see it so well. It's so tiny. Looks like a crab though. Let's do file. File what? Script. I was trying to add this script. Fast layers. Nice to meet you too, login. Parent layers. Null. Me? Oh, no. I've been here for like 1.5 years, 2 years, but rarely like uploading and streaming. On and off, we can say that. So I can't say it's still new but old. So, you're there but you're not. I don't know if you get that. Let's try and see if we need more null objects. Do you stream also, login? Let's do a scale. Let's try a scale for that. Oh, you just vibe around. That's great. That's great. I also love watching streams. Oh no, did I? Ah, no, I pre-comped the wrong one. Oh, yeah, I didn't need to pre-comp this one. That was not part of the plan. Yeah, it's very nice. I also I also love just vibing and chilling and lurking in some streamers, mostly when after a long day, when you're sitting down and you're just having a bit of time for yourself, sit down and just watch a bit of streams. It's really nice, really comfortable actually. Control Shift C. Okay, I think we're good with that now. Then just do our now. Let's do yeah, I just randomized the number. So let me just do a scale. up to that point, maybe 200. And then that, maybe also rotation. Rotate by probably 10. Let's do that. Make it tight. 10 is too little. Let's do a whole 30 then. And then just re-apply that graph. I'm thinking let's do adjustment layer. Just need to crop that. I need a shake. Let's see what shakes I can have. Where are the shakes? Not the brushes. We'll close these panels, bro. Don't want paint. Yeah, effects and presets. I see it. I see it here. Just add. Let me add some shakes. Use downloaded plenty of them. S shake. Let's see what this will be. Sometimes they're not good ones. Sometimes you get something good. I don't like that's too edgy. Shake 2. It's a longer one. Now the problem is Fire plugins usually have this issue where they make like the project heavy, but they're really good. Just tighten it up. Maybe it'll be, yeah, I think that's okay. Now for every beat, maybe I can include it. Oh, that's terrible. Or maybe I can go for a twitch. That's the issue. That's the issue with these shakes that you download. I moved it. It's tough to get a good one. Twitch. Let's try Twitch. Let's try that. Nah, I don't like it. I don't like that shake. Twitch 2. So it's now like trial and error, trying to find out which one exactly looks good. That's good. I like it. I like it. But what's going on here? Oh, it's like the whole full length. Then I want to make it shorter. Boom. Boom. Okay, a bit. There. I think something like that is good in... Oh! I dragged it. That, and then duplicate. Why did I get so many? Duplicate, and then bring it. I'll do something like that for each and every beat. Control D. Control D is for duplicate. What happened? Did I pre-comp even past what we needed? It seems like it. I mean, look at that. I did. Okay, let's try and see. Let's bring that in somewhere here. And also bring that in. Yeah, I think the beat thing works. So now we do the I just want to reduce this. Let me not touch that. Let me just welcome. Thanks for joining. So I do that. Then here, maybe I'll do scale pump, 150, then back to 100. F9 is really want to finish this, so I play a bit of Fortnite. This still has to be done. Okay, let's try that. Still a bit slow. Is it the fastest? It's the fastest it can go. Maybe just point that. Let's try that again. It's taking quite some time to go up. I think it's here. Bit more. Ah, I like that. Maybe just take it back a bit. I like it. I like it. Do the same everywhere. Control C, Control V, U. And also, I think I'll do a bit of vibe. By vibe, I mean not vibe, I mean whisper. I want the whisper shake as well. It works really good. Maybe I can also include that. And then not only will I just have this one, I'll need to add some effects. One of the ones that I saw was the ripple. I think I can try to recreate the ripple effect. Let's see which ripple here looks best. No, I think it's the BCC. Let me get the BCC ripple. Ripple. Oh, it looks heavy. Ah! Oh, I thought it crashed. Radius. I think we can do something like that. Height. Wave width. Yeah, I think that one. To maybe 100. 50. Yeah, let's try 50. And then F9. Of course it does that, but no, it's not. It's not it. It's not it. It's not what I need. Maybe height 0. Yeah. Maybe I can also animate the height so that it like completely disappears. Because you can see right now it's there. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. Thank you so much. So let's try F9. F9? Yeah. Let's try that. Maybe this way. Like it's just, you just see so much. You see so much here. Here. Oh, that's the problem. It's because it begins from let's see, Control V. Control V. So now it starts from normal and then hops into crease. Let's drag that up to there. Let's see how that looks like. I don't like that. You see this? We have it at max and then the next frame is just it's just a mess. Maybe I can do this and then drag this one the other way instead. Like you can see, this part it's suddenly all full. So maybe this ripple won't work for us. maybe what we can do instead is probably a brightness. Let's try brightness and contrast, and then we animate the brightness like a pump. So it starts from 0, ends 0, but then now we bring it up to 150, and then we just F9 that for now. Okay. Maybe I can just do the same for each and everything here. I'll go back and look at the reference and see what we are working with, just to remind ourselves not to get out of track. Control D. I really want to play Fortnite though. Okay, so each bounces where it needs to be, so that part is okay. The next thing maybe that I need to do now is try out that Vispa I was telling you. So let's just increase those nulls and let's add the Vispa. To drag, you always just alt drag that last one and it like widens it all up for you. And then for here, I think I'll do the motion tile. I haven't added the motion tile yet. And probably do... It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh, messed everything up. So let's move it to here. That we center it. It's too slow. Let's try that. I don't like those edges. Let me just scale it up a bit. The edges are not pleasant. Scale. Let's do 208. Maybe there was an edge that was visible from here. Yeah, the edge is gone. There was a gap that was showing initially. Let's see that. I don't like it. I don't. So I'll just try to animate it myself then for each and every one. Here I was just doing scale. It just scale. So I'll just do my own scale and position perhaps. Rotation. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no. Let's see. No, I messed up the thing because it's all the way here. I don't remember what. All positions are 0, 0. Maybe the problem is this one here, position. And this, maybe this is the problem. Yeah, but I cannot put it that way because it centers. Thanks for the like. So it centers there. Oh, is this? It thanks eternity. It's not really giving. And the problem is this one here. Maybe it's the anchor point. Where are the anchor points here? All the anchor points are at 0. So what exactly could be the problem? I know I'm the one who moved it, but now I need it back. I need it here, but when I move that, it affects the whole thing. Unless the problem is this. To 0, 0. And then for this first one, I do 500. No, I'm messing it up even more. Wait, why is this clip here? 0, 0. Not the anchor. Oh, that's the anchor point. Do position 500. No, it's not working because this clip should more or less be at the center. Let's center it. Hi, void. Yes, yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm Kenyan, born and raised. Now, what was I looking for? Say align. Where is the align thingy? Align. Yeah, the problem is this. I messed it all up. Oh, you're also an editor. But the character, I didn't do it. It's what is it? I'm editing this for somebody, so they gave me that character already done. I mean, it's pretty skilled. They did that character and this one here. It's very interesting. Because now let me just show you this. They did, remember that rat dancing trend that was everywhere. Now they did that with their clip. Come on, fit. I want to play this there. Let's see. Oh, the cartoon me. Oh my god, I didn't. I had it hadn't clicked. It hadn't clicked yet. That is from Viroid. It's from Viroid. I had it commissioned, so it's a Viroid character, but you can get it for free actually, because if you have the Viroid software, which is a free thing, you can get the base, and you have they have some free available outfits here, or you can also go to Booth, another website that can give you what is it called? What was I saying? Yeah, that can give you free outfits, textures for your outfits, textures for the skin, for everything else. Yeah, I'll follow you back as soon as I'm done streaming. But I messed this up. I messed it. Let me just go back. Control Shift Z. Okay, it's okay. All I had to do was go back. I don't know why I was not doing that the whole time. So let's see. Maybe the first mistake I did. Where is the skill? The first mistake I did was probably doing these beats. I also have some upload methods I'll share so to get attention quick. Thank you. I really appreciate. And I feel like there's something that needs to be done here, bro. It's too stiff. You can see when it begins, I like it. But because it's just this little kid dancing, it's not working out. Maybe if the problem is I think I need more scales. Where's the last? Where's the last scale? The last scale is here. Since all these colors are confusing, I think I'll just do change that so that I know this one is for the bounce, the pump that is there. And then this one here is probably to just liven it up a bit. I'll do some more scale. Things. So there's that 150. I'll do 150 there, and then scale and probably go down 70, 50, 50. Maybe now. I really don't understand. I don't understand. Maybe it pumps all the way down here. But here, let me do that. And then from here, I bring in this and take it up maybe 130 and do position. Let's just try something. Position, and I reposition that. Yeah, reposition that, and then let's see what's going on. Still need to figure out how to try and incorporate the TikTok chat to be also visible on Twitch and YouTube, because I've been able to bring in the Twitch one and the YouTube one to the TikTok, but not the other way around. So that's one issue. Maybe if you know how to do that, I'll really appreciate if you just send a comment, send a DM, something. Let's do that. And then let's just F9. And then we'll do another scale. Scale, position, and bring it up to here. And say, whoa, 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 go all the way down. And I think since we are working with a white background, I can just add a white solid. Let's put it down here, so that when I'm moving around, it doesn't really affect what is going on. What's going on? I have no idea. Hope everything is okay though. Huh. Okay, mm-hmm. Boom. Welcome. Okay, so I think something like that. Also F9 that. And then after the pump, we try and do scale position. Now we bring it to the scopes. Scale up and adjust the position to center that. Like, that's the main focus. You tell it that's where you need to be. And then what can we do? Bring that, and also now move it back out. Welcome. Welcome. Position scale. So trying to do this little bit of audio edit with the beats. Take you down and then center you again. So now we have everything. We see everything. F9 once again. Let's save that because you know this is where all this crashing comes in. But why does it do that? You see this? Why does it do that? I know it's also affecting this one. Let me scale it up. Yeah, that will because it's also affecting that white one. I think maybe now that edge around the white one was what was being visible. You could see that thing going on. Ta-da-na-na-na-na. This one didn't work out. Let's just try adjusting that. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! That was too fast. Maybe not too much. Just like a hint of motion. Is that one, and also do the same here. A hint. Remember, we're just doing a hint. Okay. Maybe instead of making it begin with a speed, you make it slow, and then it goes fast. So that means pushing it to the right. Welcome, Swift. Then pushing it to the right. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's doing something. It's doing something. But I was thinking, why not have this little thing on this side instead? Like I drag this, just bring it all into here. Also do the same here, so that I have that corpse at the beat. Yeah. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Then here, maybe I can do Control D. Let's do that. Control Shift D. Scale up and opacity. That's what we're going to be beginning with. Welcome, thank you for joining. Don't forget to support, like the stream, follow me. Do 0 for that. So it becomes big, and then, okay, usually for these ones, you try and do a bit of a stagger there. Hello, Kim. I'm doing good. Thank you so much for asking. How are you? How's your day been? I like with the bit, where the bit is where we need like the strongest part of the effect. So let's move that maybe to the left. Da-da. Move it a bit more. There, somewhere there. That one works. That is going to work there. That is too fast. It's too fast because we don't see it happening. We just see like traces of something that happened. Maybe I need to make it bigger than what it is. This is, I had it at 150. Maybe 200 will, let's try 200. Let's try that. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. I like it. I like it. It's doing something now. Okay. And then I think you see where this bit is. Let's do a framer. Uh-huh. Let's do 3 framers. I like that. So one, 2, 3. For this one here. Okay, I like the strongest. Those 2 be there. Then this starts here. For this one, I do invert. Let's do invert. That's how it's going to look. For this one, let's do edges. Find edges. Oh, it's not really doing much. And then finally, let's do solarize. The invert is okay, it's very similar. So what about dog vision? Dog vision has a bit of green in it. Nothing? It's not doing anything for us. Then what else can I try out? Tried invert. I've done the edge. What else would be suitable? Mosaic. Let's try mosaic. Oh, not the one. Mosaic. Something like that. Then maybe I can do with scale. I can increase that scale to 200. Also increase that one to 200. Let's see. You see, there's that like a stop in the movement, and I know the problem. It's because I moved those keyframes. So what I can do is move towards that, come back here, go all the way here, so that this I want it here. Things are not working out. I'll just save it and decide to go and play Fortnite anytime soon. Maybe I can take these framers of mine. My little framers, my darling little framers. Control D. My framers. Oh. That looks like a mistake. Let's look at the reference once again. You see, these are like a rotate. Like, let's see. No, so it's just going in, out, in, out. So why am I overthinking it? In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. So for each beat, it's just enable rotation. Welcome. And do like a rotate this way 20. And then you just take it all the way here. Go back to 0. Then come back here. Rotate. And we go negative 20. Then come back here and do 0. Welcome, Caesar. F9. F9. Okay, so what I want, and then each time this is like closest, I want it to be fast. So there'll be this fast and then this fast and then that. So this one comes in around here. Let's try that out. Here, rotation, we also try and adjust that bit of the rotation. And we said we want it to start slow fast, so it goes this way, and then also the other way around. We finish this out. We just finish it as soon as possible. Then we can play. We can play. And if you want to join Fortnite, of course you can. You can just get me through Glitchy, similar to what the stream names are. If you want to watch through Twitch, you can also come and see me through Glitchy Toots. You can find me there very easily. And you can see it's not really what we want. Welcome, share. So like, maybe what I need is the rotation to be on one layer, so that we have it moving continuously. Maybe that's what we actually have to do. So let's me do rotation, but it moves left and right comfortably. So from here, I want you to go here and give me a 20, and then move forward around here, give me a -10, then come back here. Let's do this. Come back here, give me 10, then come back here, do -15 for me, and then move forward, go back to 15. Then easy is. So for each and every one that is here at the center, we like speed it up so that we have like a bit of motion. So for all these that have a center point, just we drag that in here, and then finally here we need to do that and make it work out. It has to work out. Let's try that. Maybe I also do the same for this. I don't know. It looks like it's like it's rowing, it's like a boat. But that's what we want. Do we want it to roll like a boat? I mean, we're trying to get something that is moving, something that is interesting. Like, it doesn't just look just there. It has to be nice a bit, maybe. I don't know. So we have to try and do that. And maybe I just try it out again and then see if that will actually work out. Because it's I I don't know what to say about it. Okay, so let's see. This is what? This is 15. 15. I don't remember who was doing it anymore. Oh, at the center here, just normal, and then, huh? Okay. I began with 0, and then I went to 20. That is, and then, so in between we have 2 keyframes. Okay. So there's like another keyframe here, and I'll give you -10. -10, and then finally just a 0. That means there's just a bit to work on. Somewhere there and somewhere there. And then also here and finally here. Save that. Oh, look at the time. It's about time. I need to like take a very quick break and then I'll come back. Let me just see this. Ah, that was so bad. That was terrible. I think it's because I haven't done this bit yet. You see this one that we've been like scaling up? I bring it in, I bring it in, and then I haven't done that for this one yet. So scale position. Let's fix that. I really need to go. But let's fix that first. So 150, and I'll just maybe focus it on this. And then go back scale position. Bring it up to here and do 120 and bring the guy in. Looks so cute. There, so F9. Aha, just a bit of a push to the left. I like that. I like that. Why did it come out so well? Why? So I want this. Okay, I want it to move towards, I want this to move towards him. Like, I want it here. Because it like is swinging on one side, and then this also swings with him. And then, of course, I'll just fix that for you and bring it here. But that doesn't mean I don't want... let's see. It changed everything. Let's see. So where's the rotation? The rotation that is actually making me swing. Because this one is going this way, and our rotation here is starting from negative 15 to 15 itself. So it does that. I like it. So it's me who's the problem. I knew it. I need to somehow link these to how they are moving. I really want it to push all the way. But once I do that, and once we introduce these guys, unless 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 this one here moves. But that totally affects everything. Because that is like the beginning. I really want, you can see when it swings here, I really, really, really want it to do that here. So it does this. But you can see once I move that, it's not giving what was there. So maybe I'll come back down here and then push this here. Like it's always just one point affecting the other, affecting the other, affecting the other. I said I want this here, right? But once I do that, when I come here, the thing has moved. You see, like it's completely different. Let me I remove this, get it out of the frame. Pum, pum. It is the pump is here. The pump is here. Whoa, 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 watch it. Do that. Pump. Okay. So this rotation is matching very well because it pumps at that same direction. So what can I do to also make this work for the rest? Okay. So this, let me try and align these ones to here. Once in a while, not every other time. Because like this one here, it aligns to this. So that means here, this one, what is this? What did I just put these scales? Yeah, these ones are all not done properly. So, pam. So this bit here, I want to introduce this. So this bit here comes in with this. Welcome. See, okay. I ended up bringing it all the way. So this matches with this point, just like hits the bit. And then here, drag this and get that bit. And then also here. So for each and every one, I want you to like begin where this is. And also this point, have you here. And this one, of course, begins at this point. And then the other one, I have it here. Scale position. Aha. maybe up to this point. I'll just bring you well towards the center. Bit of a zoom out, something like that. And then maybe I can just come back here, do scale position, come here and center you. It'll bring you back in very well where you need to be. Scale you down perhaps so that you fit 90. Yeah, so that you fit in where you are very well. So F9 and F9. Let's save that for now. There's something not going on well here. Let's see. What I can do is remove this rotation. You see, there's that zoom in, and then and then and then we did this. There's that rotate, right? So the problem is this. I think the problem is this one here. I think this is our issue. Let's see. So we went in. Up to that point, is it okay? Yeah, up to that point is okay. And then we zoom out. That is a massive zoom out. So let's bring you back in. Probably towards the head. This thing. Then maybe that. See, maybe that. So when it's zoomed, when it's sliding back, we need something going on. And of course, if you touch this, you've messed up everything else that is also going on. So we're going to need to redo all of that. That's too fast. It's a bit. Like telling you, swing with me, swing, brother, swing. Stick that. Let's just adjust it. Dun, 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 da, da, da. Okay, let's try that one now. Okay, so that bit is okay. You can see, does that brings them in? Does that brings them in? Slide. So maybe bring them in, but not like zoom out. Like bring them into this, and then swing you to this. Okay, and then swing you to that, bring you here to this, And then now bring you back here. Try that out now. Oh, what? No, no, no. So this comes in up to here. Okay, we are good with that. So what the hell is this? Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. What was that? I don't know what it was even thinking of. I said I want this one to be centered. So it was giving me like funny keyframes everywhere. You see that next swing? That next swing, I want the little guy here. I want him to be centered. Okay. So after the little guy has been centered, we need to go back and get this one here down here. Maybe a bit of a zoom out. But then we need him back here. Okay? And then after that, you center it to this guy. And now after that is where now this guy comes in. Is that okay with you? Save it for now. Okay, we're almost there. You see that swing, we are very close to what we need. We're almost there. Maybe let me try a bit of push. Yeah. Even that bit here, it's a bit off. We're a bit off here. You see that? That tilt is not doing us justice. Maybe bring him in here. Up to here. Let's try that. Let's speed that a bit. No, 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 no. What I'm talking about is this side. Here, right here. That point. Okay, so maybe I'll just push this other one here. And then also push this here to the left. Yeah, I think that bit is actually working. Just up to that point. It's a very short clip, but I did millions of keyframes hoping to get something interesting. But I think for now, I want to go for like a short break. And then when I come back, I'll do Fortnite. And what do you call it? Yeah, I'll do Fortnite when I come back. So let me just switch this and fix the be right back screen for the Twitch people. I forgot to do that. I hadn't done that yet. I'm so sorry. I forgot to do that before. I forgot to do that. So because of that, I'll just fill that screen, fix it for you. This I'm just fixing the be right back screen for the people on TikTok. Fixing that up for them. It's amazing. It looks pretty. There. And then I'll just switch it here also for the rest. And let me step out a bit and I come back. We do Fortnite. Fortnite is a plan. So if you also want to do Fortnite with me, make sure you've opened up your Fortnite. And that is where we're going to be meeting up. Glitchy is my user. I'll see you there. All right, we're back now. Let me just set things up and fix everything to make sure we're ready for Fortnite. Fortnite is what we want to play now. The disadvantage is the moment I just touch this thing, it just okay. Let's just change the titles first. So let's update the titles. Change the thumbnails. Do I have any gaming? Let's play. Yes, nice. I have one. Update the titles so that at least on Twitch and what do you call it? On Twitch and YouTube both are updated. Just fixing that a bit, and then what else do we need to fix? And just make sure that those have been up. It didn't update. Come on. It didn't. It didn't update for us. Oh, it did. So why? Okay. So the titles are ready. The other thing is category. Okay, category is also ready. Let's see what else do we need. I also need to change it from what we have. Do I need any? Let's see. Let's see. There's someone I was supposed to be adding. I forgot. That was yesterday. Since yesterday. Let me just do it now just in case so that I don't forget. That was yesterday. Did I even take a screenshot? Did I? I did. Oh, I did. Thank you. Oh, I got them. Add friend. So I've sent a request. Whether they see it or not, that's a different story. I yeah, subtitles cannot be seen on that screen that you're looking at right now. So when are you joining me, bro? Well, let me just switch this thing off. I don't know, having to set things up and reassigning everything. Okay, so that chat is there. Hopefully, it doesn't block anything. Now, next is that. I think that's okay. And the only other thing that we'll have to change is it's not supposed to be a display capture. What we are working with is a game capture. Oh my god, why is her eye broken? Oh, she's back. She was, I don't know, she was going crazy. Let me just put the game capture. Game capture. Game capture. Game capture. Where's the game? Where is Fortnite? Fortnite. Capture audio. Capture cursor. So we are good. Game capture is available. Let's put that. That's our game capture. Ah, game capture. I said game capture. Oh, so we're good. Game capture. Where is the game capture? Oh, it was locked. Well, I was wondering. I know this is not how it is. Yeah. I think something like that. Something like that is good enough. Remove the music or not. I think that's good. And then of course there's still so much. Yeah, I'll add the game capture. And where did this play capture? I should have set it up before. And then add another game. Put it at the bottom. Big one. The chat has to be the chat goes. So that's how it's going to be. So far so good. Yeah. So far so good. Every fish in the sea is the one for me. I think that's okay. Everything is in. We have that ready. We have this ready. We're ready to play. Name glitch. We're doing 0 build. Let's do it. From the shore to the deep, I swim so free. I really prefer the 0 build because 0 build don't have to start struggling with people who are now just going crazy up there everywhere. I don't want that. What is the chat? Where is it? Oh, thank you. I really appreciate that. I love editing. So hearing that the edits are good, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. No, it's been all this in and out. One moment you're editing, next you're busy. So even the skill level changes and things change. But we're still doing it because we love it. Every fish in the sea is the one for me. That should work out for us. Ha 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 ha. Okay, where's my task? Okay, I was trying to see the You also love editing, so you know how much effort. Yes, I really, really do. Not that even means, because from someone who knows what goes into it. I appreciate it. Thank you. Is everybody planning here? I think I've landed here. I just jumped out directly because I was trying to see what is happening. Maybe here, there's a little house. There's a little house. Okay, I know people usually mostly play the game by fight. But for me, I really prefer the treasure hunt. I'd mostly just spend more time getting equipment, getting whatever, and then the moment I'm now ready to fight, I just end up getting killed immediately. And since I miss a lot of shots, I need to have them bullets. Whoa, there. Oh! Why was he facing the other direction? Is there someone else he was fighting? Was he fighting someone else? Okay, I'm just like blindly picking up anything and everything. Who's my favorite editor? Can be a mix. It can be actually like a mix. I have different editors I prefer watching depending on the style. There's this other one I came across recently, Fritzu. They have this very what did I press? Very magical type of edits where it's heavily on the motion graphics. And I know people mostly prefer edits by Thing is no longer as popular as it used to be. And YX Rico is a good editor as well. Who else? Yes! Exactly! That lemon line edit is what took, that spread this guy's name out. And everybody is trying to remake it. You see, like, I've seen like 4 or 5 different variations so far. And one of the variation was one that was put through AI. They just took the video and then like changed the character. Everything that is there is still the same. Can you imagine the guy had like good 5 days. He spent nearly 5 days to edit that masterpiece. You can imagine that. That's crazy. There's someone running around, but I don't know where. Wow, yeah. Plenty of talent flowing in. And it's really beautiful, you know, to see such types of edits. Because most of the editing that was going on recently, I think probably when this began, around 2023, around 2023 is where, what is this thing? What is this? Such ammo containers. So I think around 2023 is where now people started doing this editing style where you just do transitions and that's it. Favorite YouTube editors like Molob. Yes, Molob is also very pretty skilled person. There is Molob. There's this group of like 5 people. They all have a very similar style. Molob is the one with the Gojo as the thumbnail, as his thumbnail. What? This guy is trying to draw me in, isn't he? Stop healing yourself. Oh, he went to the room. Oh! Oh, it's oh, his thumbnail is Nagi. I don't know then who is it who had Gojo as a thumbnail. Okay, I don't remember their names. I'm missing all the shots. Oh, he's dead. Somehow. Oh, thank you so much for hanging around, Zolo. And it was very nice speaking to you. That is this 7 cluster cannon. I don't like these massive things. But let's just pick it. And this, maybe I'll take this to mine instead. Let me write that down. Let me write that on that is on YouTube. Is that YouTube? Thanks. And I've been wondering, I've been struggling to get my name out, but it doesn't seem to be working. So the only problem was I couldn't be identified as a Kenyan. Let me see. Fade this. You say that's YouTube, isn't it? I hope nobody kills me. I'm trying to write this down. Okay. Looks like I hate this zone. This zone is like where everybody usually gets killed. So yeah, people are fighting. I hear people fighting. Where are they? Come on. There's so much loot there. Someone must have been killed. What's that counter? Active what? I can't even read. Oh, it's TikTok. Wait. It's a different account from this one that we're using right now. Oh boy, there's someone. Where is he? I can't see him. Oh, there. No, there's more than one. Down. I got you. I have not drunk the juice, even a single sip. How did I not realize? And so that's it. I need the big one. I haven't come across it yet. I don't know why I never have. Let's just... There's someone... Oh, there. I hate this field. Because I cannot see them. You hide... People just hide behind the trees. Once you scorch, nobody sees you. Where is he? There. Did I get him? Did I? I did. Now I'm at the lower side. I don't see the guy. Did he run away? He couldn't have. Seriously. Yes, he did. There's his vehicle. got him. Yo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Tit for tat. Oh shit. Ah. Ah. Okay. Okay. We didn't last. We didn't last this time round. We did not last. Play again. Try it out and see how to do this, how everything will be. On Twitch, on YouTube, you can always try out exclamation mark pull. Let me do that. Where is it? Exclamation mark, bro. Pull. It did not work. It has to work. Exclamation pull. Oh, it's hidden. I hid it. Okay, there. That works. That works for us, for everybody else. Okay, let's see. Let's just jump here. The blue stuff. We go to the... Not the blue stuff, surely. We're just landing here at... Oh, there's everybody landing there. No, I don't. Change of plans. We try and find a place that is not... crowded. I saw someone land just now. There, you see that guy jumping around? So I'll land on this building to get a gun. Because I already see him there. So I have something to protect myself. Go! Yes! Luck was on my side. Where is he? Where is he? But is that the one who came to attack me first? What are they on? I have a bomb. Huh?
Hello, how are you, everyone?
What is this? Hey! Die! What was that? What was that? Why was he acting that way? Okay, I saw the soup, the juice somewhere, the blue juice. Oh, there it is. One of these, I'll just take this. And I need more of that. So, but for now, let's just carry this health bar with us. And let's roll. So we do need something that will give us some more shield. We just have half of the shield enabled currently. That's where we came from. We need more of this shield. Oh, there's a fight going on up there. Let's just go. Is everything reloaded? Yeah, let's go. So hopefully everything is reloaded and we are good to go. So is the fight? Is the fight going on? Oh, there it is. I see the sword, but where are the people? Where? I came to fight you guys. Where are you? I think the fight is over. Oh, there. Come on! Get out of there. Where are you? Where did you go? Oh, there you are. You're still behind us. Stop running! Oh! Down. That's one down. He may. Did you send it? Okay, go and send me. Go and send. I know you have. You finish this.